if we told you the problem isn't magnesium itself? It's how we've been delivering it. For years, formulators have worked around the same challenges: unpleasant taste, poor flow, and compatibility issues, treating them as limitations of magnesium. But in reality, the issue lies in the delivery. At Umang Encapsulation, we address this with encapsulated magnesium. By surrounding the active with a protective layer, we transform how magnesium behaves, improving stability, enhancing solubility, protecting it from environmental stress, and minimizing interactions with other ingredients. The result? A smoother manufacturing process, better performing formulations, and consistent product quality. And it doesn't stop there. Our encapsulated magnesium beadlets are available in multiple functional salts, including magnesium citrate for high solubility, magnesium bisglycinate for superior bioavailability, magnesium oxide for high elemental content, magnesium sulfate for recovery-focused applications, and magnesium chloride for fast absorption, giving you the flexibility to choose what fits your formulation best. Our solutions are further optimized with customized particle sizes and color options, along with tailored release profiles such as immediate release, sustained release, and enteric-coated delayed release. We also offer taste-masked magnesium beadlets to enhance palatability in finished products. Suitable for tablets, capsules, sachets, gummies, nutritional powders, and functional beverage systems, our encapsulated magnesium adapts seamlessly across applications. So it's time to stop working around magnesium's limitations and start upgrading how it's delivered. Connect with us today to request a sample or develop a customized encapsulation solution aligned with your formulation goals.